When you hear the words Porsche and flagship in the same sentence, there is definitely something quite interesting under wraps. The sports car maker that once shocked the world with the Cayenne SUV, is planning another surprising debut for 2027, a flagship EV blending the virtues of performance, luxury, exclusivity, and off-road capability. The project, known under the internal codename K1, has been under development for 3 years. Despite the fact that the production model won't be ready until 2027, we already have some preliminary details including technical specifications. As reported by Autocar, Porsche's CEO Oliver Blume has referred to the upcoming model as a very sporting interpretation of an SUV, while insiders describe it as part saloon, part crossover. While these details may not be enough to paint an accurate picture of the upcoming Porsche, we attempted to envision what it could look like. Our speculative renderings were created using digital software and artificial intelligence with our guidance and input, incorporating those design elements. Without having seen any prototypes on the road, we cannot say with certainty how close or far we are from Porsche's vision for the K1. However, the new flagship is not expected to resemble an oversized Cayenne, but instead incorporate elements from the sleeker Taycan and adventurous Taycan Cross Turismo while adding a third row. According to people close to the matter, the unconventional body style will combine a short bonnet, an aerodynamic windshield, a curved roof, and a liftback tail. At the same time, a sophisticated air suspension setup will allow ground clearance to be adjustable according to the selected driving mode, transforming the vehicle from a grand tourer to a capable off-roader. A 3-row interior and plenty of high-tech. The description of the rather sporty roofline profile suggests that the interior won't have the headroom of a boxy SUV like the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. However, with a length of over 5 meters, 196.9 inches, the Porsche flagship is expected to offer a similar amount of space and comfort as the BMW i7 luxury sedan, with extra practicality and easier ingress/egress aided by its crossover stance. In order to justify its placement above the Panamera in the lineup, the new Porsche will pack more luxury and also get the latest available tech. The overhauled interior of the upcoming 2024 Cayenne will likely be a sign of things to come for future models, including the K1. During the early stages of development, the K1 project was intended to ride on a special version of the Scalable Systems Platform, SSP, from the VW Group's parts bin. However, plans have changed and it seems that the new king of the Zuffenhausen's range will utilize a beefed-up variant of the Premium Platform Electric, PPE, architecture that was co-developed by Porsche and Audi. Heaps of electric horses. While details are scarce at the moment, the latest report suggests it will feature 920V technology for ultra-fast charging rates, with a large capacity battery allowing over 700 kilometers, 435 miles, of electric range. Porsche is synonymous with great performance, so be sure that the electric motors will generate immense power, certainly above the 750 horsepower, 560 kilowatts/761 PS, and 774 lb-ft, 1050 Newton-meters, of torque that you currently get from the Taycan Turbo S. Of course, the model will offer all-wheel drive, benefiting its all-terrain character as much as its straight-line performance and handling. Speaking of handling, Porsche engineers are known for their expertise in chassis tuning, making the 2,295 kilograms, 5,060 pounds, Cayenne Turbo GT behave like a sports car on the road and on the track. Thus, it is safe to assume that the new flagship will offer the best possible balance between driving dynamics and comfort, taking advantage of the latest tech and electronics such as an advanced torque vectoring system and all-wheel steering. We shouldn't expect 911 GT3 levels of sharpness, as the K1 won't be all about lap times, but the Porsche crest means it will be hard to beat, at least among similarly sized rivals. Coming in 2027. The yet-unnamed Porsche flagship is expected to be produced at the Leipzig factory. Its 2027 launch date means that it will arrive after the facelifted Taycan range, as well as the upcoming EV variants of the 718 Boxster/Cayman, Macan, and Cayenne, further expanding the brand's zero-emission range. As for pricing, expect something higher than any other current model by Porsche. This type of product will likely generate a lot of interest in North America and China, elevating Porsche's clientele and stealing a portion of sales from other luxury automakers.